We're starting to feel a little bit queasy with the way things unfolding with the Reggae Boys going into the World Cup qualifiers, the intense negotiations, the withdrawal of many senior players from the USA game, the plethora of England-born players coming into the squad. I want to tell you, there are even whispers of possibly replacing coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore. All of this is playing out months before the qualifiers begin. Me don't like it. I don't like it. Between the born Jamaicans playing overseas, the influx of England-based and some select local-based players, we have a solid pool of players with the stable hands of coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore in charge. Jamaica definitely has the ammunition to do some serious damage in this CONCACAF zone, but it looks like we're out to blow it up. I don't like even the contemplating of the strategy of replacing the renegade players with the new English players. I would love all eligible players to be considered, and from that, we pick our best team for every game. As for this thing with Whitmore, that's straight foolishness. There are many bigger and more important decisions to be made between now and the end of the qualifying campaign that will ultimately determine whether or not we keep we World Cup pot. On the fire.